Hey everyone, it's Hazardous 911. Today we're looking at what happens when a fire alarm goes off inside a building with lifts and escalators. Why do escalators stop suddenly? Why do lifts suddenly refuse to take you to your floor and head straight to the assigned re-entry floor or main lobby? Let's break it all down with my trusty demo board. When a fire alarm system activates, the lift isn't supposed to help you escape, because it can be one of the most dangerous places to be during a fire. Think power outages, heat warping doors, smoke filling the shaft. It's bad news. That's why most buildings have a system called fire service recall, usually demonstrated by that little firefighter hat and key slot. As soon as the alarm goes off, the lift controller gets a signal, either through a relay or input module connected to the fire panel, and sends the lift straight to a designated recall floor, usually the lobby. The doors open. Whoever was on the lift before fire alarm activation connects it, and then the lift stays there. It's taken out of service for normal use until it's manually operated by firefighters. That's why you'll often see elevators closed off during fire drills. It's not broken, it's part of the plan. Escalators usually stop automatically during a fire alarm too. The controller receives a signal from the fire alarm panel, often via a shutdown relay or shunt trip, and cuts power to the motor. This prevents people from rushing onto a moving escalator during an evacuation and helps reduce panic or injury. Some escalators are even programmed to stop at a specific point so people don't trip mid-descent. And just like lifts, if it's designed right, the fire alarm system has control over these movement circuits. Let's say someone activates this manual control point, or heat sets off a heat detector. That sends a signal to the panel, and at the same time, control modules send the lift controller to begin recall mode and the escalator controller to stop movement. Boom, the system works together, not just to notify people, but to physically change how the building operates during a fire. It may seem like a pain when you can't use the lift during a fire drill or a real fire evacuation, but it's absolutely by design. These are life-saving actions coded into modern systems, and if your building doesn't do this or doesn't test it, you might want to talk to your safety officer. If you liked this walkthrough of what fire alarms do to lifts and escalators, hit that like button, subscribe for more fire type breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what other building systems you'd like to see on the board next.